Right now, y'all, you on the road. So if you haven't already, sub, like, and share. And yeah, bro, like, I love the process of this, bro. I don't met a lot of people who are doing it. I don't met like up and coming YouTubers.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
You know SRT Stamps?
I think I heard that name before, man.
I met him. Bro, I showed you. That said, there was an AMG on the video I had showed you. Like 1 or 2K subscribers on the tube. He got scat. People over like different car groups.
Like I want to start my own little clan.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
And like,
I
don't want to just join nobody shit. I want to start my own shit.
That's what I want to do too, but ain't nobody around here that
really be into that shit for real.
Yeah, like you got people that's here that do the like they got the cars, right?
They got the car, but they don't want to
do
put the time to invest into it, like upgrading. They think that big cost too much. Like this shit really don't cost too much.
Nah, like you got people that got their car tuned, but they don't do nothing with it. Like they got it tuned, but they don't record or nothing with it. They don't go to the track and race and they don't do nothing. They just got it tuned, just for the hell. Yeah, it's like why? If you're not gonna do nothing with your car, why do all that?
Why get a sport car? You ain't finna use what the it for, bitch.
Exactly. My next car, bro. Like I told y'all, looking at the 5.7, the Hemi.
Yeah, boy.
But my main agenda is to try to get a 2SS. Yeah.
Hey, them Capri, you ever seen them Capris? Them Capris too, the SS?
Nah, I haven't.
Bro, that's a whole opponent, a Chevy Capri, bro. Look,
oh, Chevy Caprice, yeah.
That shit got that 6.2 in that bitch, boy. Oh man, that shit is running. Boy, I seen nigga on YouTube with that shit, boy. That boy shit kicked up. That shit got that power to it, boy. Man. Like people don't be knowing. People get cars that really don't be knowing what the hell they be doing with it, bro. People always talk about, oh, this right there, bad car. No car is a bad car. As long as you keep up with the daily maintenance on your car, you will have a good running car, bro. But some people just dog this shit out and don't never get that bitch checked out and wonder why they shit having so many problems.
Exactly.
Like, go get your car checked out, or if you don't, you want to spend all that money, invest in your time. Like, go on YouTube, learn how to do this shit yourself, bro. That's what I did with my Impala, bro. Anything I want to learn, bitch, I did that shit myself. I got a regular old mechanic dude. His ass would teach me how to do certain shit on my car, bro, and I learned quick. Like that shit, this shit really easy. You gotta really take your time and really pay attention and really know what you're doing.
God damn! What the fuck? Hey, that bitch so crazy. I ain't gonna lie, only time I shoot a video of my car popping and everything. You only do that off the cold start. Like if it's warm, I can get it to pop here and there. But mainly off that cold start. Cold start, that bitch sound like gunshots.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
You can't let this bitch jerking, bro.
Feel that bitch?
Yeah.
Hold up, pause.
Can't give me another amp. Yeah. For my shit, like my shit right here, bitch. On the back. My shit. My amp and my DS18 amp with the 12-inch sub in the back, man. I'm gonna get another amp to make my audio loud and my doors and my highs in the back too.
Yeah.
Been really gonna have my music, bitch. I ain't gonna change the I like that 12, bitch. I ain't going past that 12 to keep that bitch. I like that.
God damn! Oh shit!
Hey, that motherfucker started right.
God damn! Damn! But they been sound crazy, they been fast as fuck. Don't sleep on the V6, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, do not sleep on these V6s, y'all. These bitches not slow.
Let me get on the straight road, boy. I was just doing 90 right there, man.
Bro, how you got your shit popping like that, dog?
Bro, that cam tune, bro. He put whatever popping tune he put on that bit with the cam, bro. That bit had my shit popping, bro. maybe I would have had that Chrysler 300, or I could have got a better version than this right here. I mean, it is a 2013, you feel me? Like a couple years behind, but I ain't tripping though, bitch. I got a car at the end of the day.
Yeah.
My shit, I got low miles. I got 77,000.
Damn.
My shit ain't even at 100K yet, bitch.
That's real good, bro.
And I done drove to Georgia, I done drove to Thailand and shit, I done drove the bottom of North Carolina and shit already. In here, bro, and I just keep up with my daily maintenance, bitch.
Damn. And like, I'm about to say, yeah, like you said earlier, keeping up with your shit. Yeah, your car be good, bro.
Keep up with it, bitch, bro. And I don't never let my gas tank hit eat neither, bro. That's another thing too. Like, I always like, soon as that bitch get to like a third of a tank,
You fill it right
fill
up.
that bit right back up and go get one of them
Gas treatment.
gas treatment, pull that bit right in there. Good, bro. Keep that bit, keep the oil rich, keep that bit running and shit, keep that bit running smooth. But I need to get that oil catch can though. I be doing a lot of speeding and shit, and I don't want that bit to catch up with me in the long run.
Yeah.
I had that oil catch can on that bit. Gucci. Like I was gonna get another car after that, like once I finish paying that bit off. I was gonna go to like some SUV type of shit, get me a Durango bit. Big Hemi Durango bit. I don't know that shit. Like I rode in one of them bit, like me just driving that bit. I don't know that bit feel like that bit feel different. I ain't never driving no 5.7 before, bit.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, that's my first time driving that bit. That bit felt like strong a bit. Like I had really tipped some muscle up for that bit. I'm stepping on the gas. I'm like, damn, that bit like moving bit. Like usually I can drive that bit one hand, but you feel me? That bit a little light little cruise and shit. Man, RT on Hemi bit, Durango. Man, that bit was moving, boy. That bit was stopped too. It's newly used, you feel me?
Yeah. I'm about to say you had to look at the car history. That's it, like
bro, like when I got this car, only 2 people had this car. Think about it, I got this car at 50K miles. Whoever had this car, they had to be some old folks. Cause when I looked at the Carfax, bro, they weren't taking this car nowhere. Someplace in Seabreeze, Florida, and just driving around in Palm Beach. I was like, oh yeah, y'all just blessed me up, boy. This is straight still right here. I had it. As soon as I got that bit out the lot, dog the first day. I ain't wasting no time, bitch. Went straight to the muffin shop. Cut them bit clean off. I took everything off, paid $600.
damn.
I was not playing. I needed that sound, bitch. That start sound was too nasty, but especially off a cold start. Real. No, I like driving this bit though. It bit like that, bro. They been good. They been good on gas. They been good on gas too. Like if I leave from down here, say if I go from here all the way to Georgia, I can get there. I can get there with one tank, but I have to fill when I get all the way up to the top. But that's when I fill up the second time. I let my shit get all. I let my shit go to. I let my shit start touching E. So that bit get about like 80, 75 miles, 60 miles. And when I go hit the gas station.
Yeah. Bro, tell people stop caring what niggas think, bro, and get what the fuck you can afford, bro.
Like, bro, it don't matter what car you riding, bro. A car is a car at the end of the day, bro. If you feel like somebody hating on you, bro, you shouldn't be around them, bro. You feel me? Cause that's not no motivation, bro. Like, why are you having niggas hating on you and they supposed to be uplifting you? They supposed to be your friends, your dogs, you feel me? You supposed to be uplifting one another. Like, I got this car. I know my friends don't got no sport car. They got regular cars. I had to start off at a regular car when they ain't have no car, you feel me? Supposed to motivate each other, bro. That shit. You see your friend having something good, they get something nice, bro. That shit that motivates you, bro, to make you work harder, bro, and really go get your sport car. And you congratulate your friend, bro. You feel me? That make them feel like real good because they done finally accomplished something. You feel me?
Yes,
supposed to
bro.
start uplifting your homies, bro. Don't never down them, bro, because they driving some slow. At the end of the day, they still working and they still trying to figure out what they want to do with themselves. You feel me?
Okay, everybody's time is different, bro. Everybody
time different, bro. Everybody time not the same. We all going down this one journey of life, bro. Everybody path's gonna be rough. Everybody's gonna have their ups and downs. You feel me, bro? I done had plenty downs. You feel me? But you know, I just learn from those mistakes, man, and just, you know, how to use my resources and elevate myself, bro, and kept myself away from certain people that would hang on me, fam. That's the only way I got to where I am right now, bro. And I seen the growth in myself, bro. Like, from me working every single day, bro. I'm catching a bus. I'm riding my bike over there in Palm Beach, everything, bro. Nobody know about that. Nigga used to cry, bro, because the nigga was catching a bus and shit. I ain't had no car and shit, bro. Like, bro, I don't take none of this shit for granted at all, bro. I appreciate everything that God been doing for me, man. This shit a big blessing, bro. For real.
Come on, dog. Just said some real shit, bro. Like, if you gotta start off if you gotta start off with a V6, bro, start with a V6. Only thing you supposed to do after that is just keep going up, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you ain't got to jump the screen on V8 because you seen other people riding the V8, man.
Come on,
Get you
dog.
something that you can afford, bro, and just work on it, bro.
Exactly.
Don't be trying to follow everybody else's dream, bro. You feel me? Do what's best for you, bro.
Yes.
Pick what you like, bro. Don't try to follow the trend, bro. Be your own man. Be different, bro. We all men out here, bro. You don't got to follow behind the next person, bro, to try to fit in, bro. That's what's wrong with everybody now.
And bro, like, even if you're doing content, bro, start off with this. Get a V6, bro. If you can't afford a V8, get a V6. Build it up, bro. People gonna fuck with you, bro, off you. YouTube is based off your character, bro. If people catch a vibe off you, they gonna support you, dog. From just solely off of you, dog.
Bro, that popping.
Man, his ass took off on him. I'm trying to keep up with him in your shit. Yeah, hell no.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. You ain't not in that. Not in that shit.
Nigga, even in sport, you couldn't catch up with that motherfucker. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, that big got sport mode on it too?
Yeah.
Bro, I wish my shit would have had some of that shit. Bro. My shit don't got nothing, bro.
But
That
then I'm
bitch-
looking at the gas. I'm like, yeah, let me not waste this man's gas.
And that'll do it for the video, y'all. Make sure you sub, like, and share. Let me know how you feel about that video, man. And I'll see y'all boys in the next one.